Alrighty, before I hop into this video, I'm going to ask you guys to please go and subscribe and share this video far and wide so we can grow my channel more and I can provide even more content every day for you guys because it really helps when one of my videos does well and people like it and I get subscribers and share the clout, you know what I mean? But before, with all that being said, let's go and hop into this. This is a sad day. These are official numbers, so I'm sure this happened long ago. What you're looking at right now is from yesterday, the official numbers from yesterday, and yesterday was the 26th of April, 2020, obviously. um, and the United States was almost at 1 million. We gained 26,000 new cases yesterday, over 1,000 new deaths. We officially reached 55,000 deaths from COVID-19 yesterday. And the numbers that you're looking at right now are obviously from right now. The United States has officially reached 1 million people infected with coronavirus officially. This number is almost guaranteed like way higher than what we see, but that's the official number. We're at 56,000 deaths officially, and this number is off as well. It could be much higher than that because a lot of people are dying from COVID-19 when they never got tested for it, and they also have other issues like heart disease or something like that, and that's what is being credited for the death rather than COVID-19. We hit 1 million, which means that one out of, what's the U.S. population, like somewhere in the ballpark of 350 million. That means that for every 1 out of 350 people statistically, one will have coronavirus, 1 out of 350 people. That is an insane number. And it comes at a time when people are rioting in the streets to open up the economy because they don't have money to pay for bills. And if you're one of those people, please just stay home to save lives, and also redirect your anger towards your state government and the federal government for not providing adequate relief to you and to your family. Because trust me, I feel for you, man. And I know it's hard. It is. Nobody likes to be locked down. Nobody likes to be without a job. I got laid off myself. You know what I mean? I don't like to be without a job. But I understand that it's important to save lives also. And you should redirect that anger towards the federal government and towards the state government, not for them locking down, but for them not providing adequate relief to and your family. So I ask you to do that. And it also comes at a time when there's talk of reopening the economy right now. And you have to solve the problem that caused the economy to collapse in the first place, which that's a whole nother discussion whether the economy was good or not before. I think if you watch my YouTube, you understand where I fall on that spectrum. But the idea that you want to reopen the economy before you even solve the crisis is ridiculous, to be honest. You can't reopen the economy without solving the issue that caused it to collapse in the first place. We have to take care of this disease, and a lot of scientists are saying that it'll come back in the fall once it falls off even stronger because everybody will go back to normal, and there'll still be some little hyper nests or whatever you want to call it of little tucked away strands of COVID-19 that'll re-pop up even stronger. So we need to really make sure that we kill this thing right now. And then so during December and November, during Christmas time and the holidays, we can actually all be together, I'll leave you with this. I saw this report that said that there's a bunch of doctors saying that we need to be testing 3 million people a week before we open the economy. And we've tested somewhere in the ballpark of 3 to 4 million people total since this entire thing happened in the United States. So we're not even close to where we need to be in terms of testing numbers, and we're not even close to where we need to be in terms of this thing going on a decline, because it's not. You can see yesterday we did gain 26,000. I think our highest day gain so far is like somewhere in the ballpark of 30,000, 35,000. But this is actually a pretty average number per day, and it's not going down. We're still going up. The entire idea of flattening the curve isn't that less people get infected. It's that the same amount of people get infected, but it's over a longer period of time. so then you don't overfill the hospitals, which will obviously result in more death because then there's not enough beds, not enough ventilators, stuff like that. But I just wanted to bring this update to you guys because it's extremely important to get these numbers out there, and for people to people to realize that this thing's not gone. It's still here, and it's going to be here for a long time. And our federal government needs to buckle up and do what it needs to do to help its citizens. It's like me and you. And also, we need to realize that for each other's sake, don't be selfish, and follow the proper guidelines that the CDC lays out day in and day out, and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please go and subscribe. I haven't done one of these updates for a while because there's been nothing. It's just the same thing day in and day out. But I thought 1 million was a huge milestone to hit, and yeah, the United States has officially hit 1 million confirmed cases of COVID-19.